That crunch from Marco is exactly why we love these chicken lettuce wraps so much. They've got that PF Chang style flavor with a saucy feeling, lots of crunch, and that fresh bite that makes them impossible to stop eating. This comes together fast, so it's best to get all your prep done first, starting with the garlic and the ginger. And this quick sauce is what gives the filling that glossy, clingy finish, so it coats everything properly instead of turning watery in the pan. If you haven't tried water chestnuts before, they are those crisp little vegetables you usually find in cans. Their flavor is really mild, so they won't take over, but they do give the feeling that really good crunch in every bite. And for the scallions, separate the whites from the greens. The whites go into the pan for flavor, and the greens go in at the end for freshness. Okay, now let's start cooking. Use a wide pan and cook the mushrooms on medium-high heat without oil first. This way they can release their moisture and cook down properly. Once the mushrooms are looking good, add the oil and the chicken. Then break it up really well so the fillings get those nice brown little bits. And this is where the filling starts smelling really good because the garlic, ginger and scallions bring all that savory fragrance. Give this about a minute, just enough to soften everything slightly, and then add the water chestnuts so they stay nice and crunchy. Now the sauce goes in, and after about a minute or two, everything turns glossy, savory and nice and clean. You want to add the green parts right at the end so they stay fresh and bright. Finish with sesame oil so you keep all that lovely toasty aroma. We tried both romaine hearts and butter lettuce here. And butter lettuce definitely won for us because it's softer, easier to eat and still holds the filling really nicely. And if you don't feel like doing wraps every time, this filling is also good over rice, in rice bowls, or even tucked into an omelette. Yeah, make this tonight.